everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we are going to learn about comments and more in Python. In the next video, we are going to learn about escape sequences, which are three of them. So let's begin. So here we are on the IDLE shell 3.11.4. Now, before we begin with today's topic, using IDLE as a calculator, the things the ideally can do, like solving some mathematical problems without using the print function, and we learnt about variables and various rules used to name them. In this video, as you already know, we are going to learn about comments in Python. So let's type a code first. First we will type print and then open bracket double apostrophe, which is also called a quote, and then this is a known phrase programmers use for their first print program. Now we will close the quote and the bracket. And now, if somebody is a beginner and he does not understand what this code will do when there are lengthy codes, we must add a comment to let the beginner understand how to open this, how to run this. We know how to do this, but the beginner does not. So, let's learn how we can place a comment. Comments are written to make Python code readable. These comments guide the programmer with the course of the program. They are either one line or multi lines. They start with a hash sign. So, if I want to place a comment over here, I will just add a hash. See? And now, whatever I write, the program will run smoothly without affecting my comment. So let's write this. This is used to print a word. See, hello world was printed. Now, if we place a comment without the hash sign, the error is prone to be having. But let's try to understand it better. Now we will not use a hash sign. We will just use this. This is used to print a word. Invalid syntax. Because this was not a syntax at all. It was a comment. Now, how long can a comment be? Let's see how long can a comment be. Comments can be multi-lines. They can be as long as you want them to. Like, now, such as this comment. This is a very long comment. Let's see if it affects the program. It does not affect the program because comments are meant to be like that. A thing to remember is that only the hash sign tells the computer that this is a comment. Now, moving on to the next topic we are going to cover in this video, which is more in Python. So, we will discover how to open the script mode and how to run the script mode files and much more. To open the script mode, first of all, you click on the new file and then open the new file, and then the window automatically opens. To open a created file, you use the Ctrl plus O, same as it is used in the Chrome browser. Open module. Open module functions the same as open. However, we use open. Recent files like which files you have created in Python very recently. You can see them. Module browser. It opens the module in the browser. Then save as, save copy as. These three are what you know. They are used to save the commands. Print window means to take this form in a PDF. Take this program in a PDF. Close this window. Close this window. Closes this window while exit ideally clears all the other programs running and the windows running too. Edit contains undo, redo, select all, cut, copy, paste, find, replace, selection, find files, go to line, so show completions, expand word, show call tip, show surrounding parents. These all come in the edit. They are very simple. Shell. So shell has these options. To view last restart means when I last opened ideally shell. To restart the shell, which means just save all the commands and just do what the output is doing. Like I have written print and the comments and everything. What is the output? The output is this much only. Hello world, right? So if I restart it, there is going to be two hello worlds only. This is for the developers to know what exactly their program will cause. Previous history, next history. So historically what you have practiced in the ideal shell. Interrupt execution. So if there is a very long code, then you can interrupt the execution and restart the shell and then try it again. Debug, debugger, stack viewer, auto open stack viewer, go to file line. These are for the developers. Options, configure, ideally configures ideally. So if you want to adjust it to your requirements, you can configure ideally shell. Zoom height. So if you want to zoom, you want to increase the font size, you can do the zoom height. This shows the window name. It doesn't do anything else. Help, about, ideally documents, Python documents, turtle, demo. So if you want help in the Python window, how to open Python, how to do this, how to do that, then you can use the help option. So these are all the options available for our convenience in ideally shell 3.11.4. So everyone, that's all for now. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Before you go, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't be missing out on my latest video.